Welcome to Lady Mary Beth. Join me as I unbox two purchases from shopgoodwill.com. You may have seen an earlier segment where I explain the benefits and the ease of this online Goodwill bargain shopping opportunity. And I have placed these for about 3 days in a self-quarantine, so to speak, so that the boxes have had a chance to shed anything that may have come into my home. And I will open two items. One is a cross-stitch framed piece of a lady walking through the garden, and the other 9 what I think are Waterford Lismore Goblets and one odd glass that was mixed in. And this is like Christmas for me because I don't exactly know how it's going to look. I've only seen the pictures from the shopgoodwill.com, and let's take a look. I have such appreciation for anything that's handmade and needlepoint and cross stitch. So let's take a look at this. Let me carefully open it and make sure that it's just what I thought it was. If not, I could always donate it back to Goodwill. And I did pay quite a bit for shipping on this, which I gladly did. The piece itself was $9.99. Let me look at my notes. It was $9.99, but with the shipping and the tax and the handling, it came out to $39. So it's okay with me though, because I have ordered something that came in broken, and I'm very grateful to have the good packaging. Okay, so here we go. All right, it's a lovely piece, but I must say that it is not cross-stitch. This is a tapestry item, and as lovely as it is, they were a bit off in their description. It's very well framed, nicely presented, and I think I'll be quite happy with this. But since it is not cross-stitch, what I will do is reach out to Goodwill and let them know that it was not as described, and maybe they will give me a partial refund. It's possible. I will certainly try. If not, it's a lovely piece. Okay, let's try this second box. I'm hoping that these are Waterford crystal glasses. I paid $99, and once you add the shipping and the handling charges, it came out to $122.76. So let's take a look. If nothing else, there will be very useful, purposeful glasses. But I am really, really hoping that they are just what I think they are. Okay. There's a big bundle of these. So let me cut through this and see. I'm grateful for the packaging. Look at that, okay. Well, we know if one is, then they all are. So let's take a look. I really like shopping Goodwill.com. It's very seldom that I have disappointments. It happens occasionally, but you know, I get such good deals. And a lot of times you can find things that are new in a box too. In fact, you could even put that as a search item, new in box. And that way you have a great gift. I think these are Waterford. Yay! It feels like Waterford. It looks like Waterford. I started my career with Waterford Crystal. I know this like the back of my hand. And they could not find, they're a bit dusty, which is no problem. They could not find the Waterford mark, but I know that I will find it later in the right light. It's got 16 cuts, which is a sign of Waterford. That has got to be Waterford Crystal. And I'm trying to think where they would have the mark. Usually it's at the bottom, but these are definitely Waterford Crystal, no doubt. So I got lucky with these. And the artwork is still nice. It's not what I anticipated, but I think I can be fine with that. It's a beautiful tapestry, and I like it because it's lightweight. So overall, I'm very happy with my purchases from shopgoodwill.com. I will reach out to them to let them know it wasn't listed properly. Maybe they'll give me a credit for something. But these are lovely. And as a bride, I did not register for Waterford Lismore. I chose 2 different patterns, Ballyshannon and Araglin, because this is the #1 selling pattern in the world for tabletop. And I didn't want to be like everyone else. But it is one of the prettiest patterns. So I'm glad to have 9 goblets to start my collection. Aren't these beautiful? And just wait till I wash them. They will sparkle. have washed all of the glasses and did find the Waterford mark on the bottom. Once the dust was washed away, they were very visible. I am so pleased with the classic Lismore from Waterford. I have always admired this pattern. It's the #1 stem pattern in the world for tabletop. And they were about $13 a piece once you average them out with the shipping, the handling, and the sales tax. And they retail at $75. So I got quite a bargain with a classic look for my table. Couldn't be any happier. It did come with a bonus glass, which is not Waterford. I didn't expect it to be. It's a brandy glass. So I could find a nice use for that. It's very pretty. ShopGoodwill.com is a great opportunity to find something to do, shop from home, continue to stimulate the economy, and find great gifts. I hope that you get inspired to find simple ways to beautify your life and home. Thanks for joining Lady Mary Beth. Please hit like and subscribe. I hope to see you next time for more lifestyle tips.